Today we're discussing about construction and working of methanol oxygen fuel cell. What is methanol oxygen fuel cell? Direct methanol fuel cell or DMFCR is a subcategory of proton exchange fuel cell in which methanol is used as the fuel. Next, move on to the construction of methanol oxygen fuel cell. In this picture we can see methanol oxygen fuel cell consists of two porous carbon electrode. Anode is coated with platinum catalyst and cathode is impregnated with silver catalyst. The electrolyte is aqueous solution of H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Methanol is continuously supplied at the anode and oxygen is supplied at cathode. Here, methanol diffuse through the anode and get oxidates at anode. Oxygen diffuse through the cathode and get reduced at the cathode. A membrane placed adjacent to the cathode prevent the diffusion of methanol into the cathode. If methanol molecule diffuse into the cathode through the electrolyte, then direct combustion of fuel take place, preventing the electrochemical reaction. Next, move on to the working of methanol oxygen fuel cell. Cell reaction is given as at anode CH3OH, that is methanol plus H2O gives CO2 plus 6H plus 6 electron. That is, methanol diffuse through the anode and get absorbed from the anode for some time. Then it comes in contact with H2O because the H2O is present in electrolyte solution of sulfuric acid. So, this methanol react with H2O undergo oxidation to give you CO2, 6H plus and 6 electron. This H plus are moving through the electrolyte through the cathode. At cathode, 3/2 O2 plus 6H plus 6 electron gives 3H2O. This oxygen is supplied at the cathode and reacted to the 6H plus undergo reduction to give you H2O. So, the overall reaction is CH3OH plus 3/2 O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Here we can see the overall reaction even though combustion of methanol, but it is not direct combustion of methanol. It is through a electrochemical process. So, this is regarding to the construction and working of methanol oxygen fuel cell. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.